To begin, look at the board of the battery holders. Place 3 AA batteries into these holders. You will also see a power switch. Ensure it is flipped to on. Next, take the other board and align it above the battery board. To connect these boards, align the pins under the top board with the ports on the battery board. When aligned, gently push them together. Take care to not bend the pins. Now, looking at the top board, you will notice a switch in one corner. Make sure this switch is flipped to A1. Finally, to connect the sensor, look slightly to the side of that switch and find 2 pins pointing upwards. Take the plug end of your sensor and plug it onto these pins. With the board set up, let's look at our sensor. The sensor has 2 prongs. It measures turbidity by how much light passes between the 2 prongs. When we measure turbidity of water, we need to make sure that it doesn't flood beyond the top of the sensor. To begin, we take an amount of milk. Now we submerge the sensor. Not too high so that the prongs are out, and not too low that the connection might flood on top. Now we take an amount of vinegar. We put it into the milk and make sure to thoroughly mix it. And we repeat this process until we see a change in the milk. You should eventually see a residue begin to precipitate out of the milk. Make sure to record what your turbidity sensor reads. The substance you see left over from the milk should be the protein.